So let's just take this all apart. Actually, let's just break out the cool tool.
There's literally, look, a weed that wrapped around it. My buddy found this in the back of his friend's house. Been like outside for 10 years.
It's a Diamondback. I mean,
I think it's cool.
that's a big.
This is huge.
I don't want that. I'm gonna take the Mongoose, since it has a really nice rear wheel drive, 9-tooth driver on the back, and a small sprocket in the front. I'm gonna take that whole drivetrain, just throw it on this one.
It's gonna fit.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the seat post and everything, just swap it over and just make sure everything, just put everything onto this bike. But this is still gonna be a field care killer. I don't think I've ever worked
On a rusty
bike like this before. Pushing as hard as I can. And it's
That's
not even
insane. So I gave my Lumberjack Odyssey bars to Cody because I'm a good friend. And I think these are Cody's bars. So we're gonna put the Cody's bars in here because look at the height difference. You get way more height and they're way wider. So you gotta take the stem off in the head. What head said? Oh, it's a fucking Cane Creek. We're gonna have to drill her out. 10 years outdoors and Cane Creek, oh, it's spinning. It's not. It is. Wow. This is a way better upgrade bike. Just having like a threadless like stem is just.
It's not bad.
Is that like a thing of spiders?
No, it's a piece of paper.
Oh, I got scared. That's a good setup. Wow. Heavy. It is. Bring her in. All right. New bike. Now Johnny is gonna take everything he needs off this, and I'm not gonna film it because this is gonna be boring.
That's all stripped down. Should I do left drive? I was kidding. Oh,
I'm right drive.
Or no, I know. So far that looks good.
And that just screws in.
Yeah, this is just a cheap, big box style.
It's job done.
I know, but
It fits.
oh wow, yeah, it does. A little crunchy, but whatever.
Next we'll put on the seat, right? And then the wheels.
Yeah, take the collar. I didn't film that, but we took the collar off the old Mongoose and put it on there to make it fit.
I'm tired. We rode like 9 miles today. 2 hours worth of riding on like, well, I was on a single speed. They were on the treks.
Yeah, you gotta put a cage on the back of your BMX bike.
We got that for like $10 down at the bike swap.
Yo, that fits too. Get out of here.
Hey, look at that seat.
I know, it's ridiculous. I love it. Well, how many different color consoles do I have? I can't get the Merit one.
It doesn't match. Yo, this bike is gonna be so cool.
Because I only run mag wheels in the front.
It honestly looks like a respectable bike right now. I don't even believe that this
Until
sat
you throw
outside.
this on it.
No, this is like crazy.
It's on
No
a
pegs?
diamondback? No pegs. Who needs pegs?
I run pegs. I'm never gonna use them though. They're just so I look cool, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it is pretty sick. How much is it weigh? It's brutal.
Not at all.
You gotta bend those bars a little more straight.
What are you thinking, Lance? 40 weight? 50 weight? We'll slack out 3 links.
I would say 2.
No, because I'm going to drop the wheel back.
Ooh. Okay. So is that enough tension?
Mm-hmm.
Yo. This bike's gonna be sick.
Like that angle good?
Yeah, that should be fine.
I don't really know. I just want to get this centered.
If you have a bike and you're not running bars, you're a fucking moron.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so heavily not light.
How bad is it?
It's light. It's really light. Yeah.
Let me feel it. Can you hold this? Oh no, that's not light. My bike's light.
Well, it's because of the water on the back, you know. This thing's an off-roader.
You need to have your handlebars way more forward. That's terrible.
Hold that. Oh hell yeah, and this needs to go down.
I know. I told you to do that. Like, look at my angle. Oh, that's not too bad.
Alright, well the bike is in the air and I'm an idiot.
My bike's beautiful. Look at her. She's gorgeous. We have beautiful bikes. Look how these colors are so dope. What?
I forgot this whole loose dirt everywhere.
Yes, there is. What do you think? Better? What do you think? Is it better than the Mongoose?
Yeah, it is, but it's ridiculous.
It needs some work.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, she's rideable, and I guess maybe we'll post the video of us going for a nightly cruise once Shawnee's got this all tuned up.
Okay.
Coming?
Yeah.
All right. Till the next time, guys.
Can't believe I forgot to do this one thing on it before the bike was really rideable. Can't believe I forgot. People are gonna comment, "Oh, I can't believe you didn't, you know, put that on before you rode the bike." I'm like, all right, well, whatever.
You're ready. So weird. You are so weird.
Phil Care, we're coming for you.